welcome to Tiana and Tahirah Toy Show. You see we have these cute, adorable babyalive, and right here it says Magic Mixer Baby. So at the inner bottom you see there's no name, so we can name it anyone we want. Tahirah named hers Daisalina, and I named her Dahlia. And guys, you see she comes with a blender, and you can, mix it up with all the food.
She comes with diapers and ice cream and strawberry and a spoon to mix.
So we're gonna open these up. So let's go. I think that way that's easier. Okay. Tape here.
This
kind of has some tape here, but
I think I found something. What is this? Yeah, that's it.
I see two. Don't worry. So, this has some papers.
And the instructions right here. So the instructions said, number one, where's number one? Number one, you put the food in the blender. Number two, you put water in the bottle. Number one, you open the bottle. Number three, put water in the blender. Number four, close the blender. And number five, you mix up the blender. Those are all the instructions.
We have one diaper. Oh, and by the way, this is for, like mixing in the blender. This is what she eats. Ice cream is for her, like, to, you can decide, because they both say drinks, so, you guys can just decide. And guys, what I love about babyalives, is that these mini diapers are, like, so real. It's just, like, they're just smaller, and it has babyalive on it. Those are just one of the coolest things ever. And we got that diaper.
Also, this could actually take off, like just like that. So when you pour in the food, when the food's older, you got poured in the bottle.
But here's one thing about these: you cannot open. Maybe it's movable from the bottom, but they really said that it's actually movable from the top and the bottom. So when you pour it in, you have to, take this out, pour it in, then put this in back, and then open it out. But guys, we're gonna go read the instructions. Yeah. And it looks like I was right. First, it says you have to take off the cap, like I did right here, just it's on. Then you have to get it in here and pour it in there. Put it back here and press. But guys, in here it says, look, you need some of this or this one. They're both food and drinks. But first, when you put it in, you need to make sure there's water so they're able to eat it. Because if it's not in water, they're not going to be able to eat it, and it will not show their true colors. You can watch about babyalive videos to make sure you know that there is, and if you, a lot of information. And now let's go talk about something else. Guys, like I said about these diapers, look, they're actually smaller.
Yeah.
They can actually put on them. They're so small.
Look, they also have this like a real diaper.
I know. And also this is a comb brush that says B-A-B. That means baby. B means baby. Well, guys, comment down below, what does B-V-B, not B-A-B. Oh, wait, I just said from before. But comment down below, what does B-V-A means? And guys, just to say about the baby, let's just go stand her up. Look, they come with 2 cute ponytails.
Yeah.
One, there's a string on that we'll take that off later. So look, there's another cute ponytail, and then this is just a big bun.
Yeah.
And let's see, wait, put them together. So if I see, you see that Daisalina have longer hair than Dahlia. Because Dahlia hair is like this, but it's not going down here really. Okay, now it is. But that means Daisalina have longer hair. So elastic we can take off.
Yeah.
Very easily. But we will keep it on for now. So guys, also, the bottle can actually open. You know how they said like from here? Look, see the bottle open? Right here?
Yeah.
So you can just open the bottle. Put some ice cream if you really want to drink ice cream juice, but I'm sure
when she's done her dinner.
Now you can just put it back in. And give her something she might like. Sorry guys, I turned it the wrong way. Wait.
That's how it goes.
No, it's this way. Wait. It's kind of hard, but it's okay. Just drinking some Bubba. And guys, she is definitely holding it. So we've shown you everything, and from the instructions, look, you need to press it 5 times. And there's no food in it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, guys, that's all for today. I hope you like these babyalive. And if you want to learn more, we have a part 2. From part 2, you can even get your own babyalive that maybe came with some food, a bottle, and a spoon, and of course, some diapers.
Yeah.
Every babyalive pack will always come with 2 diapers. Some of them come with 7 diapers, but 2 is enough for us because if you go to Toys R Us, there you can find babyalive clothes and extra diapers that you can get.
Yeah.